Today, my topic is Blended Learning for Education 131. My name is Wan Yuli. Here is my summary of assigned reading and videos. Blended learning is a student learns at a supervised brick-and-mortar location away from home and through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, and/or pace. The narrow definition of some authors is integration of online and face-to-face strategies. There are four main benefits of blended learning: an ability to meet students' educational needs, improving student-to-student communication, reducing the average overall per student cost, and improving student learning outcomes. We experienced fieldwork websites are good example to use in blended learning model like the Khan Academy, the Wattpad, UCI Open, and the Smithsonian Learning Lab. And we should keep in mind blended learning is not the same thing with techniques integration. Technique integration is utilizing technology such as iClicker in the class. Blended learning is an instructional design. It is implemented technology and to offer online discussion forum that is collaborative component from teacher to students, shift to students to student. There are hallmarks of blended learning. First, strong connection between online and offline. Increased student collaborative and control skills. Online classroom presence, that is, learning management system, and repurposed time. From the elementary school students' evaluation, they like the fun activities and they can learn something while playing through the blended learning model. My reactions. The blended learning increases efficiency that students can use online materials and forum to study and discuss. Blended learning model will help both quick and slow learners because it allows them control over their own learning. I agree with Jane Johnson that the blended learning model offers more extra time to teachers for in-depth instructions while face-to-face learning. I also agree with her that the blended learning helps students increase improvement, engagement, and input. After watching the video Blended Learning at Spanaway Elementary School, I found that it also can implement into young age students' classroom because they can master the skills through playing games on the computer. Our fieldwork websites are fantastic source to use for blended learning, especially they have different functions. The Wattpad is good for improving writing skills. Personally, the Smithsonian Learning Lab motivates me the most because it has vast collections in my favorite subject, history and arts. The digital resources meet my interest needs. Overall, online resources show us a bigger world, but traditional classrooms give us in-depth explanation and interactions. Thank you for watching.